The Camo hidden deck fastening system is an easy and affordable way to secure wood, composite, or PVC decking, creating a fastener-free deck surface. And if you install treated wood decks, the Marksman Pro X1 is just the tool you need. When installing fresh treated lumber, a minimal gap is often desired to allow for contraction as natural drying occurs. The Pro X1 provides automatic 1/16 inch spacing, installing boards closely to allow for this movement. The tool clamps on the deck board, sets the gap, positioning Camo fasteners for side angle entry. The dual screw guides allow you to fasten both sides with one tool placement. Fasteners are hidden from view, so the beauty of the wood is all you see. The magic of the system is in the specially designed Camo hidden fastener. The reverse rake auger tip removes material as it spins, allowing the screw to penetrate the board without splitting. This eliminates the need for pre-drilling. And you have no worries of overdriving. The action stops once the shoulder reaches the screw guide. Camo driver bits are included in every pail of fasteners. They are also sold separately. The system is as easy as set, load, and drive. Say goodbye to unsightly and dangerous loose nails and rusty screws for a beautiful fastener-free surface for your treated wood deck. Choose the Camo hidden deck fastening system and the Marksman Pro X1.